responsibility. There was a question.
Deputy Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and I do apologize for having to interrupt, but I just want to confirm that even if the kits are procured by the federations, it is the responsibility of the ministry to ensure that these ambassadors of Kenya are not doing something that is illegal. I have photographs here which are downloaded from the Team Kenya website. The Africa Beach Games that happened, the second edition. Here, the pictures show they are wearing Adidas, and I will give it to you, Cabinet Secretary. Here, when our team went to, again here on the 28th of June, on the official Team Kenya site and other, including your own Twitter handle, again, they are wearing Adidas. We all know what Adidas is. And if they were kitted by Nike, then you would have a confirmation that Nike actually donated the uniforms and that they are originals. Again, here I have a picture of our teams again. In fact, the CEO of the Paris 2024 Olympics alerted on the use of fake kits by Kenya, and I have that email. Again, on the 27th of July, our national team, 3x3 under 23, left the country with for the FIBA National League Games. Again, here are their pictures wearing fake Adidas. So unless you confirm and give us a letter and transmit it to the leader of majority, and confirmation from Adidas saying these are original uniforms, or if it is Nike to say these are original uniforms, I have the pictures here. So this is not hearsay. And Honorable Speaker, so that I don't have to get up again on this issue, I'd also like the Cabinet Secretary. I have searched for days on end for the Talenta app, which was launched by the head of state on the 9th of June. No, yes, 9th of June. It is here. Again, there is no app that exists. What the President launched does not exist at all. We'd like to know, does Talenta Hela exist? Ama ni Talenta Hewa?